In this video, I'll show you how to connect a DVD player to LG TV. Step 1. Identify connection ports. Locate HDMI, AV, this is the red, white, yellow, or component, red, white, green, blue ports on your TV and DVD player. HDMI is recommended for best quality. Step 2. Connect the cable. For HDMI, use a single HDMI cable to connect DVD player's HDMI out to TV's HDMI in. For AV, match cable colors from DVD player's out ports to TV's in ports. Step 3. Switch TV input. Power on your TV and DVD player. Press input or source on your TV remote. Select the corresponding input source, for example HDMI or AV. Step 4. Play your DVD. You can now insert the DVD and press play. Adjust display or sound settings if needed for best experience. And that's how you use a DVD player on your LG TV. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to help you out. Bye.